Click on plus button and provide proper information. I am giving name of this repo as Android_CI. You can add additional description, which is good practice. This will be a public repo until you pay it for private. And that's it. We got our repo and we will use that later. Now it's time to create the project. I will use Android pre-configured project from wizard, as our intention is not to explore Android development but CI for Android. I'm giving simple name and ignoring other options. I'm selecting basic empty activity, keeping the activity name as it is. Wait until the Android Studio finishes its job. It's building. Take a look at the Gradle console. Yeah, here it is. The build is successful. Now let's add local repository to this project. I'm using SourceTree Mac client. You can use command line or any other Git client. It's time to add remote repo that we have created before. Click on settings icon, remote tab, and then add repo URL and other information. Hit OK button and we are done. Double check one last time and looks good. Let's add all record file to GitHub and push it to repo. Check different files that you want to add or ignore. In our case, we're adding everything. Takeaway from this session: Android Studio introduction, Git repo creation, sample project creation, and GitHub integration.